Hey guys, how's it going? This is Rob again with Lukat Detail, and we're back to this hood over here. Somebody told me that all this can be a little bit confusing. What this is all about is cleaning your paint, okay? If you have a car, van, truck, and the paint job looks like this, okay? You're not happy with it, but you don't got the money to repaint it, okay? This is just a quick solution. It's an option. It'll last anywhere from a year to 2 to 3 years, okay? Now, what this is right here is a cleaner. It's got nothing to do with shine. So when you look at this paint job right here, I'm gonna clean that up, okay? So I'm gonna put this on here like this, okay? Look at the way I hold the towel, a tight little square like this. Now, you don't do circles with this because it's not wax. We're not masking the paint. That's why you do the circles. In this case, I'm just gonna rub back and forth, clean the same spot until it clears up. What's nice about this product is you can do it by hand or machine. And you don't have to do it all in one shot. I mean, you can clean this side today, come back next month, do the rest. The reason why is because we're not using any wax in this product. We're simply cleaning up all the contamination and bringing it back to a beautiful, smooth and glossy state again. Now, once it's all cleaned up, it's gonna look beautiful because we cleaned it. Not because we waxed it, but because we removed the dead, oxidized paint. Look at that. Okay, so now I cleaned it, all right? Look at that. Look how beautiful that came out. I just used this to clean it. But check this out, there's no wax here. There's no wax at all. This is a cleaner, not a wax. Now, because I cleaned it, this is gonna stay beautiful whether I wax it or not. It's gonna take years for this to get all dirty and oxidized. Now, the reason why I got these hoods in the background is because we do a lot of shows. This red one right here, this is an old lacquer coat. You may not know what a lacquer coat is. It's pre-'89. Those paint jobs, they just had a beautiful, hard, glossy shell, but they're very hard paint jobs. These are the type that get the little X's called checking and stuff. But look how beautiful this guy came out, okay? This one over here is an oxidized clear coat. This is more common. This is the kind that where the hood, roof, and trunk hazes up, gets a little wet, looks brand new, dries up, gets ugly again. But if that's happening, look how beautiful you can make the paint job again. Again, all I did was clean it, okay? And you saw, you just go back and forth and clean it in sections, and this is permanent. It doesn't get oxidized again because you cleaned it. Here's another clear coat. There's one with spray paint. We're able to clean water stains, tree sap, tar, graffiti, gets it all off. Now, I do want to seal this, okay? I cleaned it, but there's no wax here. What should I do? Now, if I go buy a shine and pop wax right now, something that gives it a lot of shine and pop, that's cool. It's going to give it shine and pop. But shine and pop waxes are not the best kind of waxes to use in this case because they're designed to produce a nice gloss. But when you wash the car, it's going to come off and it's not going to give it no protection. So this is called easy wax. It's not shine and pop wax. It is wax, but it's more cleaner, conditioner, and sealer. Now, if you ever go to the store, they sell cleaning waxes there. So most people don't get it because you're going to put a wax on there and clean it off, right? Versus just putting a shine on. So this wax right here is really, really, really good. I kid you not. I love using this stuff because it's so versatile. You can use it for so many things. Say you got a newer car but you've had it 3 or 4 years. You've been using spray waxes, and I'm not knocking spray waxes or shine and pop waxes. They're great, but you're supposed to use them when your paint is clean. And this is what we're doing. We're cleaning. So this wax right here is going to clean, condition, and seal where we just cleaned with the cleaner. So it's just going to enhance it, clean it, and seal it. So here I'm doing the circles, I'm working it in, and then you let it dry. When this wax dries up, it turns into a nice, tough, glossy shell. Easy Wax is an amazing product. It's high temp, so you can put it on direct sunlight when it's blazing hot. When this dries up, look how beautiful and uniform that comes out. So again, the idea here is clean the paint first, then clean, condition, and seal it with the Easy Wax. This is a great system because it'll last. Now, if you want to give it more shine and pop, now you can by simply buying any wax that you want that gives it shine and pop. Now, shine and pop wax is just a wax. It's all about shine. There's no cleaner in it. There's a lot of good stuff out there. But if your paint job looks ugly, this is the solution. This is gonna clean it, bring it back. If you seal it with this, it's done. Now, sometimes people will say, oh gee, won't it haze up again 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 months? If you clean it, it'll haze up maybe in a year and a half. but it won't haze up like it was. You just use this wax here whenever you need it. You know, but again, it's a solution. You don't have to drive around with a really ugly car anymore. You can clean it. You can order these at lukatdetail.com. Check out the offers we got. You can buy 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 3 bottles. You can buy a case. It's up to you. Join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. You guys take care and Happy New Year.